everyone, Alex here from Ornament Designs, and I just wanted to pop in and say a few quick things about the ornament in this video. So this is my compass rose design, and I'm making it on a 7cm ball. I've already drawn the lines on the ball. I've already cut them out, but I wanted to demonstrate not only a variation on my compass rose design, but also that it can be used on any size foam ball and that can be adjusted to a smaller or larger size ball. Of course, this one is smaller than the typical size that I use. Usually I use an 8cm ball. This is a 7cm ball. So I hope you enjoy seeing the variation on this compass rose design. And if you are interested in purchasing this full tutorial, you can find the links to my shops in the description below.